Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to buy a partial share, also known as slice, on public.com, you can place a market order by choosing a dollar amount rather than a specific number of shares. What you need is use this search bar to find the stocks or ETF you want to buy. There you just want to make sure to select invest or buy. That means navigate to asset page and tap the investment button. Then you want to make sure to choose order type. That means select the drop down menu at the top left of the order page and choose market order, buy or sell in dollars. There you want to make sure to enter the dollar amount, input the specific amount of money you want to invest. And if this amount is less than the price of the full share, the app will automatically calculate your fractional slice. Review and submit, that means preview the order details and tap on submit order to execute the trade. And this way you're supposed to buy partial share on public.com. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.